thinking of adding a flying, like dinosaur-like monster if I can get it. Something like that. I like the mouth on that one. That one's not bad. If I can actually fit it in here. What do you think about this? Well, we'll try it. What the heck? Oh, two-mouthed. There we go. So we need another eye right over here. Why not? That seagull better fly faster. It's going to get eaten. Budgies, almost sleep time, okay? At 10 minutes. Oops, I smeared. Giving smeared a little of a New York City speech. Smeared. People used to say street as opposed to street. Street. Ooh, three mouths, why not? Give the dentists who work on dinosaurs more to study. Has a kind of lascivious grin there. A little eyebrow. Why not? Okay. It changes the whole demeanor. But hey. I think we can use some all right, coming along here. More teeth? Why not? I have to have a root canal done. I've also got more teeth in.